Hi guys, welcome back to my aking channel. I'm ready to share my another discovery. Discover a frog. Sila guys is naghuhukay pala yan guys. Yes guys no. Yung mga gabi natin guys no. Mga gabi natin yan guys. Yan natin. Naghuhukay pala sila. Yan guys oh. Naapakan ko siya kaya pala sabi ko malambot may tumutunog. Yan guys oh. Ito siya. Wow. It's a frog. See that? See that one? Wow. See so? Oh. Oh. Kunin natin siya guys. Kunin natin siya. Try natin. Balik na lang kita mamaya. Ah? Oh, tumutunog siya. Ayaw niya. Oh. Ah, ito pala yung guys yung ano. Frog na oh. Yan siya guys. Oh. 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 See that? Wow. Oh. Oh. A frog. Oh, see that? Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Very nice frog. See this? Hello, honey. Oh, this is guys, oh, frog. Oh, 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 oh. Wow. See that? Oh. Tricolor of frog. See this? Ang dami pala dito. Some more frog here because there's only one cold in this area. This mountain. Wow, wow, there's a snake. Wow. I want to catch the snake. I want to share that. I want to catch that snake. Kailangan pa natin guys malinis yung area na to. Kaya pala maraming ahas. Marami ding palaka pala. Tsaka ito ngayon yung ating sharing about frog. Wow, we already discovered this one. Yo, very nice frog. Yes guys, no? Oh. Yan guys, masharing natin ngayon. Oops, wow. Wow, wow, yes guys no, how to catch, yes go, wow, 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 oh, 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 yes guys no, yan guys yung ating frog. Wow, see this guys no, yung nilagay sa mainit, the frog in front of me. Thank you so much, and please subscribe, click the notification bell so follow my Facebook and TikTok. I will discover again more frogs or animals, sharing to next generations. Ano guys, wala na ito ngayon, mga endangered na ito sila eh. So guys no, dito tayo sa medyo maliwanag. Oh. Dito tayo, yan. Yan ito ngayon, yan guys yung frog. Wow, 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 wow. Endangered na ito ngayon guys eh. Yo. Yan, wow, wow, wow. Yan so guys no, yan yung acting frog. Wow, wow. Sharing. Oh, gusto niya guys yung pumatong dito eh. Yan. 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 Ito yung sharing natin about frog. Thank you so much and I'll be back again.